Let me show you how you can very quickly create swoosh-like shapes in Photopea. Simply head for your shape tool and select ellipse. Draw a regular oval shape like that. Keep in mind we can adjust the color here. After that, we need to select a tool here that is grouped together with the pen tool. So press and hold on your pen tool and go down to the third option. Curvature pen, that's what we need. With this tool selected, now we can very easily modify our oval shape by adding new nodes very quickly like that in any place on that curve. In addition to that, we can always go to a direct selection tool and modify those nodes. So after you add extra nodes, now just focus on modifying existing nodes. And that's all you need for the swoosh-like shapes. They are really simple. Usually we got just few nodes. Don't add too many. That's usually what ruins them. Keep in mind we can zoom in and we can be even more precise. So you can press Command or Control plus, or you can go for View, Zoom in. If you want those endings to be super sharp, move those anchor points towards the node. So now it's way more sharper. Alright, so that's how you can do it. Let me show you the whole process one more time, super fast. So, draw oval, then select this special pen tool for adding nodes on the curve, curvature pen. With that you can very quickly add extra nodes, here and there, not too many, and finishing touches, that's your direct selection tool when we can move nodes freely around and turn an oval into that swoosh-like shape really fast. And that's how you can very quickly make those custom swoosh-like shapes in Photopea. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.